Question 11 asks us to simplify the sum of two algebraic fractions, a over 2, a plus b over 2, a minus b. To add fractions, we need a common denominator. The two denominators are 2, a plus b, and 2, a minus b. Their common denominator is 2 times a plus b times a minus b. Over that common denominator, the first fraction's numerator becomes a times a minus b, and the second becomes b times a plus b. Now expand the top. A times a minus b is a squared minus ab, and b times a plus b is ab plus b squared. On the bottom, a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared. On the top, minus ab and plus ab cancel out, leaving a squared plus b squared. So the whole thing simplifies to a squared plus b squared over 2 times a squared minus b squared. Well done! That's question 11 complete.